Hello, dear students. Today we will learn about forest and wildlife resource. In this chapter, we will discuss about flora and fauna in India, different categories of existing plants and animals, causes for depletion of flora and fauna, conservation of forest and wildlife in India, types of forest, conservation of forest and wildlife, role of non-government organization, community and conservation. Let us learn about our topic. The planet Earth is the habitat of the million of living beings, including man, such as microorganisms and bacteria, lichens to banyan trees, elephants and blue whale. Biodiversity denotes the richness of species in a particular area or habitat. Every component of biodiversity, from microorganisms to huge animals like elephants, plays an important role in nature. The entire habitat means our Earth has great biodiversity. Flora and fauna in India. At first, we understand the meaning of flora and fauna. Flora means plant species, fauna means animal species. India has a vast array of biological diversity. In India, 81,000 species of fauna and 47,000 flora species are found. 15,000 flowering species are indigenous to India. Flora and fauna of our country under threat due to intensivity to our environment. Classification of plants and animals by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It is an international organization to study and assess the global conservation status of plant and animal species. Normal species where population levels are considered to be normal for their survival. Example, cattle, sal, pine. Endangered species that are at a high risk of getting extinct in near future due to decline in their number and a drastic change in habitat if their timely conservation efforts are not done are called endangered species. Example, blackbuck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, etc. Vulnerable species. These are species whose population has declined. They may move into endangered category in near future. Students, इनके पॉपुलेशन धीरे धीरे कम हो रही है. Example, blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, etc. Rare species with a small population may move into endangered category. इनकी पॉपुलेशन बहुत ही कम रह गई है और यह कैटेगरी, यह स्पीशीज बहुत ही जल्दी इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज में एंटर कर जाएगी. एग्जाम्पल, हिमालयन ब्राउन बेयर, वाइल्ड एशियाटिक बफेलो, डेजर्ट फॉक्स, etc. Endemic species. These are species which are only found in some particular areas. Example, the Andaman teal, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman wild pig. Extinct species. These are species which are not found after searches. The species of plants and animals that are not found now but once lived on the earth are called extinct species. Example, Asiatic cheetah, pink-head duck.